This is the strongest earthquake to shake the region in more than 100 years and has killed at least thousands of people across Turkey and Syria. 3 earthquake measuring 7.8, 7.6, and 6.0 magnitude on the Richter scale has devastated Turkey and Syria on February 6 at around 4 a.m. At least 40 aftershocks followed the first quake. The tremors of the first quake were felt on February 6 around 4 a.m., with the epicenter located near the city of Gaziantep in south-central Turkey, which houses more than 2 million people. This population also includes scores of Syrian refugees. Quake's focus was 18 kilometers deep. The epicenter was about 33 kilometers from Gaziantep. The area has many buildings constructed of brittle concrete, which makes them prone to cracking, spalling, loss of strength, or steel corrosion, making them extremely vulnerable to earthquake shaking. More than 1,000 buildings were reportedly destroyed in Turkey's Gaziantep and Kahramanmaraş provinces. The only runway at Hatay Airport in southern Turkey tore open during the earthquake. At least 10 cities have been affected by the earthquake in Turkey itself. According to officials, with destruction borne by more than 2,818 buildings and historical landmarks such as Yeni Mosque, Turkey is frequently shaken by earthquakes. In 2020 itself, it recorded almost 33,000 earthquakes in the region, according to Disaster and Emergency Management Authority (AFAD). Out of these, 332 earthquakes were of magnitudes 4.0 and higher. The Earth's outermost layer comprises of some 15 major slabs, called tectonic plates. The boundaries between these plates are a system of faults. Faults are fractures between two blocks of rocks. Any sudden movement along these faults can cause earthquakes. Turkey is located on the Anatolian tectonic plate, which is wedged between the Eurasian and African plates. On the north side, the minor Arabian plate further restricts movement. One fault line, the North Anatolian Fault Line, the meeting point of the Eurasian and Anatolian tectonic plates, is known to be particularly devastating. The North Anatolian Fault, one of the best understood fault systems in the world, stretches from the south of Istanbul to northeastern Turkey, and has caused catastrophic earthquakes in the past. In 1999 itself it caused 2 earthquakes. An investigation into the 1999 earthquake that killed thousands found buildings did not meet design requirements and were not earthquake resistant, as is required by the regulations.